Have you ever wanted to create a professional portfolio website but felt it's going to cost you lots of money, lots of time, and you don't even have technical skill to create one? In this video, I'll be showing you how to leverage Canva AI to build a functional portfolio website. So here I am in my homepage. I'm going to click on Canva AI. Here I'm going to describe my idea. I'm just going to paste my prompt and then select code. So this is my prompt. I'm building a portfolio website for a mathematics teacher called Alex Okoro. So this is the prompt. I'm just going to go ahead to select submit, to click on submit rather, and then wait for Canva AI to build my website. This is just going to take, it's going to take less than 10 minutes to build this. And while this is loading, while this is coding, let me just show you what my portfolio website looks like. And I built it using Canva AI. I didn't write any line of code. This is my portfolio website. You can just type it in to search. You can just go to your browser, type in blessingiroha.com and view how beautiful the website is. The interesting thing about this is that this button here, once I click on any of this button, it will redirect to, okay, this particular one, build my smart workflow. Once I click on it, it will redirect whoever that is visiting my website to my calendar, my Google Calendar, so the person can schedule an appointment. Also, I connected my social media handles here. So once you click on this LinkedIn icon, it will take you to my LinkedIn page, my LinkedIn profile. This will take you to my Instagram, and then Facebook will take you to my Facebook profile. And all of this, I didn't write any line of code. I just instructed Canva AI on what to do, and it delivered. So let's go back to it's still coding. Our website is ready. Just look at this. Just look at this. This is so beautiful. So here I'm going to add his picture because it gave us a placeholder. So I'm going to ask Canva AI to add a picture. But I'm going to go to where I have the picture saved. So I'm going to click on here to get the link. Copy the link of this. So I'm going to copy the link here. Then come back to Canva AI and then ask it to add his picture using, okay, let me just say add his picture. Here's the link containing his picture, and I'll just paste the link. So usually you cannot add manually. I'll ask you to go to your, maybe a file in your computer to add an image, so it has to be a link. So you have to save your picture somewhere where you can copy the link and ask it. So what it will do now, it will go to this link that I just pasted to get Okoro's picture and then paste it here and add it to the website. So I'm just going to click on submit. Now it's going to give us a second version of our website. So this first one it produced is the version 1. The next one is going to be version 2. So you continue to refine until you're satisfied with the output, and then you can go ahead and publish. So I'm just going to show you. Let's wait until version 2 is ready. So it said it has added it, but I can't see it. So I'm going to ask it to I can't see the photo you added. So it told me that it added the picture, but I could not see the picture. So I told it, because this is conversational, we're not having a conversation. I said, I can't see the photo you added. They said, you're right. And now it's rebuilding the website so that the picture can be properly integrated. So version 2 is ready, and let's see if it's added a photo. Correct. So it added the photo I sent to it. So this is a portfolio website for a mathematics teacher. This is good. This is so good. So if you are a teacher and you don't have a portfolio website, you don't have any excuse not to get one for yourself. You don't need, as you can see, I didn't write any line of code. I didn't write any single line of code. I only gave it a prompt and it provided this for me. I'll just go ahead and click on publish so I can publish the website from here. So you see how it looks when published. So like I said, you will continue to refine. If there's something you don't like, you can always ask it to remove it, that you don't want that. But if you want, if everything is okay, you can go ahead and publish. So let me just publish this website. And let's see how it will look like when it is live. Our website is live. Let's take a look. Unfortunately, I didn't name it, so I'm going to name it. If it were a real website, of course, I would have gone to the editor so I can properly name it before publishing. So this is the website for Mr. Okoro, the math teacher. This is so good. This is so good. So as you can see, this part, we can't see the text clearly. So I'm going to ask it to make it better so that we can see the text properly. So I'm going to go back. So it has corrected the plus pattern here. So this is what I told the AI. Beautiful website. However, the text in the get in touch section is not legible because of the plus pattern in the background. Can you reduce the transparency of the plus pattern or remove it entirely? So it now gave me another version, so it removed it. So this is what it produced. So you keep refining until everything is okay. So this time around, before I hit on the publish, I'm going to go to use in a design and select website so that I can title this website. So even if you don't like the color, you can always tell the AI, hey, this color is not my color, it doesn't match my vibe, change this color, you know. Then if there's a link to portfolio, you have your portfolio assets somewhere, you can always bring in the link and tell it, include this link so that when somebody clicks this button, it will redirect the person to where my portfolio assets is resident. So this is, I'm going to change the name here. It's still loading. I think we can edit the name. Alex Okoro. All right. So let's wait for it to load. I can go ahead and publish this website. You can preview it if you want, but this video is becoming too long. So let me just go ahead and publish. And then I'll publish it using my free Canva domain. Every Canva user has access to free Canva domain. If you want to use a custom domain, you can go ahead and publish. So let me go ahead and publish. If you want to use a custom domain, you can go ahead and purchase it. All right, so I'm publishing this using my free domain. I'll click on publish. And in minutes, our website will be live on the internet and anyone, anywhere can access it. So this is how you can use Canva AI to build your own website. Easy as ABC. You don't need to write any line of code. Canva AI will do all the heavy lifting for you. All you need to do is just to enter your prompt. So whether you're a teacher, you are a banker, you are whatever profession you are, get into Canva AI, use your prompt properly, and insert your prompt and let Canva AI build your